So, dear colleagues, no, ayon sa batas, as Commissioner Viado interprets it, pwede ang connecting flights. But I wish to make of record that the law does not say na dapat ang connecting flights. Hindi rin naman natin sinasabi na bawal ang layover flights. We are not charging anyone with RA 3019 here. No one is laying out a defense. We are reviewing policies and seeing where we can improve. At ang larong lumalabas ngayon, kinagamit ng POGO actors ang leeway na naibibigay ng BI para tumakas at hindi na umuwi sa mga bansa nila. The continued permitting of connecting flights where direct flights are available is a boon to the continuation of transnational crimes. The Commissioner could very well, as the head of our border control, prohibit connecting flights for POGO workers or ensure stricter protocols like coordination between the borders. Obvious na nga, nagpupulasa ng mga POGO workers pagdating sa layover at nagrereklamo na ang mga embassy nila. Kung business as usual pa din ang ating approach, ewan ko na lang. The reason why we have become a safe haven for these bad actors ay dahil tila parang sebong lamig kung kumilos yung iba nating mga enforcer at regulator. By the way, may I request from the BI the names of your personnel of those who escorted the deportees. Friends, bagamat may konting liwanag na tungkol sa pag-alis ni Guo Huaping, I'm disappointed that we have still not resolved with finality paano siya nakaalis. Sunod-sunod at matagal ng disappointment natin ito. There are a few more issues we want to look into. Yung alert list, order list, yung visas ng Chinese spies, yung pag-abuso sa quota visas, at yung sinasabing pagtakas ng ilan pang POGO workers. The BI has laid out a case sa kung paanong pilay sila, kaya di nila tayo masagot sa nangyari kay Guo. But at the same time, parang may hesitation rin ang commissioner na i-exercise ang ibang kapangyarihan na meron naman sila pagdating sa POGO situation. We will continue to delve into this. With thanks to all the resource persons and translator and resource persons online, this hearing is suspended.